Anyone cutting plywood or melamine-faced panels is very familiar with this situation. The finished part looks perfect, except right at the point where the tool first touches the board, the edge chips. Many workshops have tried different solutions: reducing cutting speed, using angled let-ins, adjusting spindle speed. But the result is usually just less chipping, not a complete solution. The reason is simple. Edge chipping is not caused by incorrect tool paths. It comes from the nature of the material itself. At the exact moment the tool plunges into the surface, the cutting force behaves almost like an impact. Melamine and veneer are therefore highly prone to cracking at that point. Woodsoft takes a different approach. Instead of trying to eliminate chipping during tool entry, which is nearly impossible, Woodsoft accepts that chipping may occur, but ensures that it does not happen on the actual part. The new mechanism works as follows. The tool does not plunge directly on the part contour. The entry point is placed at a safe offset distance from the part edge. If chipping occurs, it happens outside the usable area. The tool then moves diagonally into the contour. The final cutting pass runs at a slower speed to refine the edge and prevent tear-out. Result: after cutting, the part edge at the tool entry point is almost completely chip-free, even with difficult materials like plywood and melamine. This feature applies to both internal and external cuts. How to use. On the web version of Woodsoft Optimizers, or in the Woodsoft plugin, select Edge Midpoint Entry, Anti-Edge Scratch. Then enter the distance from the lead-in point to the part edge. If your machine typically produces larger chips, increase the offset distance. If chipping is minor, reduce it accordingly. Adjust once to match your machine's behavior, and it will remain stable for long-term production use. Then run the nesting as usual.